In today's video we will see Selec EM306 digital energy meter. Introduction. The product is primarily used for measuring energy. Additionally, power and power factor can also be measured. The product is panel mount with the dimension of 96 into 96 millimeters. It comes with 6 digits, 7-segment LED display, which provides a visual indication. It incorporates 4 capacitor touch keys, which can be used for programming the product as per the user requirement. This product comes with INT LED, which provides visual indication of energy integration. Now, let us see the wiring connections. To start with, we will be connecting 85 to 276 volts AC supply to line and neutral terminal. Then, we will connect the current transformer inputs to the S1 and S2 terminals for current measurement. Now, we will connect the voltage inputs to V1, V2, V3 and neutral terminals for voltage measurement. The DG terminal is for generator input for dual source energy measurement. Connect 85 to 276 volts AC. This RS485 is for Modbus RTU communication, to communicate the device over laptop, PC or PLC systems. Let us dive into programming. To enter the programming menu, press these PRG keys. Password. The default password for this meter is 1000. Change password. If we wish to change password, we have to change the setting to yes. New password. We can set any password between 0000 to 9999 way. Network selection. Free phase 4 wire. Free phase 3 wire, 1 phase 2 wire, R phase, 1 phase 2 wire, Y phase, 1 phase 2 wire, B phase. CT secondary. Set either 5 ampere or 1 ampere in secondary. CT primary. Set any value between 1 ampere to 10,000 ampere. I am setting 100 ampere. CT secondary. Set any value between 100 volts to 500 volts. PT primary. Set any value between 100 volts to 500 kilovolts. Slave ID. Set array value between 1 to 255. Baud rate. Default value is 9600, we can set 19, 200, 300, 600, 1200, 2400, 4800, and 9600. Parity. None, odd and even parity available. Stock bits. Set either 1 or 2. Factory default. To reset all the setting to factory default value, set yes. Reset energy. If you want to reset energy, set yes. Password. The password for resetting energy is default password +1. Source selection. Set mains or DG. Reset active energy. Set no or yes. Reset reactive energy. Set no or yes. Reset apparent energy. Set no or yes. To come out of the programming, press these 2 keys together. Applications. Electrical panels, energy management system, HVAC system, packaging industry. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.